Hello, welcome to Usborne Books with Laura. This is a wipe clean book. As you can see, it has a pen, which every single wipe clean book comes with one. It is only $7.99, and this book is about starting times tables or skip counting. This one only focuses on the 2 and 10s times tables. As you can see, they can even write on the cover. Now, this one only focuses on 2 and 10s times tables because these are the ones that kids learn first. Typically in about kindergarten, kids start being introduced to skip counting. And as you can see here, they have full color pages and they have little monsters. And in this one, has just the very basic introduction. Munchie has one group of 2 cakes. So then your child just goes through and reads this with you, and then it is reinforced by them writing the numbers down. And then here they take it a step further and they take out the first number. So your child has to read how many groups are there and then write in the 2 balloons. And then they take it a step further again and they actually get rid of the total. So then your child is still practicing. And here at the bottom there's a very handy skip counting number line. And it even has that visual with the arrows showing you that you are actually skipping over certain numbers. And then here there's a little bit more for the child to do. Until here, you use these monsters to answer these word problems. Can you help the monsters by filling in all the boxes? And then we go into counting groups of 10. Count each group of 10 to find out how many things Munchie eats. And then, whoo, look at all these groups of 10. But the good thing is they don't have to do one-to-one correspondence on this. There's groups of 10s already, and they just have to count how many groups of 10s there are. And it's very simple because it's simple counting, and then they just write in the box which numbers they counted to. And again, at the bottom, there's that helpful number line. Until at the end, they have actual problems to fill out. And that is the Wipe Clean Starting Times Tables book.